Hi guys, this is Mrs. Larson from the Seekonk High School Library with a quick video showing you how you export your works cited pages out of Noodletools into Google Docs. So I'm going to show you two ways, without annotations and with annotations. So let's dive right in. All right, so here we are in my project pane, and I'm going to go into the Spanish-American War just as a sample project. When I get there and click on it, you'll see that I've got sources loaded in that I'm using in my project. I also have some extra text because in this case I've included what we call annotations, which is extra information about the source. So I'm ready to export. First, I'm going to show you without any kind of site. Without any annotations. So just the plain works cited page that many of you do, generally freshman, sophomore, junior, senior year, all 4 years. So we go up to the export print button up here and we click on it. But before you make any of these choices, please just double check formatting options down at the bottom, because this is where you can decide what exactly you want to print. In this case, my title is works cited. I've got a page header of page number. You may or may not want that. You can take it off if you want to, or you can set another header. I'm asking for citations only, meaning the annotations will not print. They'll still be in Noodletools. They just won't print out on my final page. And then URLs, we generally leave this alone. Teachers do want those URLs. So once you've double checked those, you can go ahead back to formatting options. Print export to Google Docs. Click that, and you're going to leave it at all sources and submit. And it simply generates a Google document. And this will be the last page on your paper as a works cited page, or maybe this is just the entire assignment. Maybe your teacher wants to see this as a little milestone assignment. All right. The other thing that we can do is we can certainly export it with our annotations if you're doing that. So you go back up to that print or export button and you simply visit formatting options again. In this case, you'll want to change your title to indicate to your teacher that it is an annotated list of works cited, and you'll want to change that from citations only to citations and annotations. Once you've done that, you can once again print or export to Google Docs, hit submit, and it will generate that Google document, this time with the annotations. So it's pretty simple. You just have to pay attention to those formatting settings. As always, if you have any questions, stop by the Seekonk High School Library. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.